First Lady of Zimbabwe, Grace Mugabe, is before the Randburg Magistrates Court today after she allegedly assaulted a 20-year-old model in Sandton after a case of assault was opened against her. A 20-year-old model claims the Zimbabwean First Lady assaulted her with an extension cord on Sunday evening. MEC for Community Safety, Sizakele Nkosi Malobane, has since instructed law enforcement agencies in Gauteng to investigate this case accordingly and ensure that justice is served. The model alleges that the wife of President Robert Mugabe attacked her in the presence of her numerous bodyguards.
The law is about ensuring that everybody is protected. And in terms of foreign citizens, they must understand their responsibility, especially those who hold a diplomatic passport. That I cannot just go here and go to Zimbabwe and beat up people there, and then the matter will disappear. Of course, DERCO must respond to that. But from police side, we have had to act in the interest of the victims who have opened the case and who have responded.
Minister Fikile Mbalula has confirmed that Grace Mugabe had handed herself over today, and she will be making a brief appearance here at the Randburg Magistrate Court. Well, we have been given information that she'll be appearing in Court 3 just after 1 o'clock. Well, Abigail, we don't have the exact details regarding the charges, but what we can see from the pictures that have surfaced on social media over the past 2 days, I'm sure it will be charges of grievously bodily harm, because we can see the extent of the pictures. We saw the young 20-year-old with gashes, wounds on her head and her forehead. Well, but with the exact details on the charges, we do not have at this moment.
Well, joining us now to discuss this further is spokesperson of Zanu PF, Kennedy Mandaza. Joins us on the phone line. Good afternoon to you, Kennedy. Thank you for joining us here on ANN7. Do you have any details with regards to what Grace Mugabe's version of events is on what actually happened in Sandton?
Good afternoon, and good afternoon to your viewers. Unfortunately, we do not have the exact information of what happened and what led to the assault. But what I would want to say is that it is regrettable that such an incident would happen. And we do not, as a party, condone any of the things that happened, particularly when we hear the extent of the damage that took to happen on this particular girl in question, and especially given that it is the Women's Month, we think that such an incident should not have even occurred at all.
Kennedy, can you confirm that Grace Mugabe did hand herself over to police and she will be appearing in court sometime this afternoon?
Like I said, I do not have any of those details. And all what we have are the reports that we are receiving from the media. I do not speak on behalf of the First Lady or the First Family. I'm just a spokesman of the party.
Do you have any further details with regards to why Grace Mugabe was in South Africa at the time?
The reason why the First Lady was in South Africa is to receive medical attention on the foot that she got injured sometime last month, and that's precisely the reason why she was here.
So the injury on the foot was a previous injury. It was not an injury sustained in this altercation that happened in Sandton.
The reason why she came to South Africa is to seek further medical attention on the injury, the pain that she was feeling on the leg that she got injured sometime last month. If there is any other injury that could have been aggravated by the assault or whatever, that is not known to me as yet.
Kennedy, I just want some clarity on a tweet that was tweeted from a so-called Zanu PF Twitter account stating, "We can confirm if this is one of the perpetrators who attacked Comrade Grace Mugabe. Be careful, comrades." Just want clarity whether or not that is an official tweet from an official Zanu PF account, and just provide some clarity with regards to this.
Any tweet that might be coming as of now, may not necessarily be from Zanu PF or from any other person who speaks on behalf of the president or the first lady. And any other tweets that are coming that insinuate any other things that could have happened when people were not there, I think they must be treated with caution.
Kennedy, just lastly, will Zanu PF itself be taking any action in this regard against the First Lady, or any action with regards to the victim and this 20-year-old model that was allegedly assaulted? Will Zanu PF be taking any action whatsoever?
My comment on that will be reserved, because that will be determined by those that are hold the highest powers. And if Zanu PF considers taking action, I think it will be an internal matter.
All right. Well, thank you very much, spokesperson, for your time. We appreciate you talking to us. That was spokesperson of Zanu PF, Kennedy Mandaza, joining us on the phone line, just providing clarity with regards to the story that has come to light. Zimbabwean First Lady Grace Mugabe allegedly assaulting a 20-year-old model in Sandton, Johannesburg. Zanu PF confirming that they do regret the incident, but not giving too much details away. They're stay tuned to ANN7 for further details.